Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a strong paper airplane. You can do it with blank piece of paper, or you can make it with construction paper. Anything you want, but you have to make the folds just like how I show you right now. So first you get it and make it like a small house. So there, it should look like this. Some of you guys, if you don't want to do the strong paper airplane that I'm showing you, you can easily just fold it in half right there, and then just like pull these flaps down and fold them. But if you still want to do the strong paper airplane, you get both of these corners and fold them again into this middle line. Fold them inside again to the middle line. There, now you should have something that looks like this. So then, when you have it like this, you just fold it in half. So there. This is almost your finished project, but you're not done yet. You have to take these flaps and fold them downwards like this. This line right here has to meet the bottom. Both sides have to meet the bottom side. There you go. This is your finished project. This is what it should look like. See, now, some of you guys might want to put these fins up if you want it just to glide. Just put like these corners up. And then there it should look like this with the corners up. Like this, and then it actually plays pretty good, but if you throw it at a wall or something, the nose is probably gonna like bend a little, but if you straighten it out, it'll still fly. So this is what it'll look like. This is the finished project, and it does fly pretty far and pretty fast, so please subscribe and like my video. Thank you.